Hook, have you ever wondered if Newton's laws of motion, the cornerstone of classical mechanics, are actually legal in Nigeria? It might sound absurd, but this question has sparked curiosity among many. Let's delve into the fascinating world of Nigerian law and the laws of physics to find out. Context: Newton's laws of motion, formulated by Sir Isaac Newton in the 17th century, describe the relationship between an object, its mass, its acceleration, and the forces acting upon it. These laws have been fundamental to our understanding of how the universe works. But what happens when these laws collide with the legal framework of a country like Nigeria? The role of law in society. Before we dive into the specifics, it's important to understand the role of law in society. Law is a set of rules and regulations designed to maintain order, protect rights, and ensure justice. It is crucial for the functioning of any society, including Nigeria. The intersection of law and science. While law and science may seem like distinct fields, they can intersect in surprising ways. For example, scientific evidence is often used in legal proceedings to prove guilt or innocence. Additionally, laws can regulate scientific research and development. Newton's laws and Nigerian law. Now, let's address the main question: is Newton's law legal in Nigeria? The answer is a resounding yes. Newton's laws of motion are not subject to legal restrictions in Nigeria. They are universally accepted scientific principles that form the basis of our understanding of the physical world. Why Newton's laws are not legal? You might be wondering, if Newton's laws are not legal, why do we even ask the question? The reason lies in the nature of law. Law is concerned with human behavior and interactions, while Newton's laws are concerned with the behavior of objects in the physical world. There is no legal framework in place to regulate or prohibit the operation of these laws. The legal implications of Newton's laws. While Newton's laws themselves are not legal entities, they can have legal implications. For example, understanding Newton's laws is essential for engineers designing structures, vehicles, and other physical objects. If these objects do not comply with the laws of physics, they may be deemed unsafe or defective, leading to legal consequences. Case studies. To illustrate the intersection of Newton's laws and Nigerian law, let's consider a few case studies. Product liability. If a product, such as a car, is designed or manufactured in a way that violates Newton's laws, leading to an accident, the manufacturer may be held liable for damages. Criminal law. In some cases, understanding Newton's laws can be crucial in criminal investigations. For example, if a murder weapon is found at a crime scene, experts can use Newton's laws to determine the trajectory of the projectile and reconstruct the events leading up to the crime. Intellectual property. Newton's laws, being fundamental scientific principles, are not subject to copyright or patent protection. However, inventions or innovations based on these laws may be eligible for intellectual property protection. Conclusion. So, while Newton's laws of motion may not be legal entities in Nigeria, they have a profound impact on our lives and our legal system. Understanding these laws is essential for a wide range of fields, from engineering to law enforcement. Final thoughts. The question, is Newton legal in Nigeria, may seem like a strange one at first, but it highlights the complex relationship between law and science. While law is concerned with human behavior, science is concerned with the natural world. By understanding how these two fields intersect, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of our society. Call to action. If you're interested in learning more about the intersection of law and science, I encourage you to do your own research and explore the many fascinating topics that fall within this field. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.